Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dian Silva Rahmalia. I am from class Chemistry A. In this occasion, I will explain you about coagulation. Coagulation is the addition of chemicals to stabilize the electrostatic force of non-settlable solids. Coagulant chemicals typically have a positive charge which binds to the negatively charged particle in water, neutralizing them and allowing them to come together to form small clumps of particles called microflux. In most cases, the chemical reaction occurs in a fraction of a second, so it's important the coagulant is dispersed quickly and evenly to encourage as many particle collisions as possible. Because this process relies on chemical reaction, several considerations must be met. Water temperature, for example, colder water usually slows coagulant and flocculation reaction, which may require more time to achieve optimal flow. Formation extreme values of pH, high or low, will also interfere with the process. Coagulant effectiveness is highly dependent on pH. For some coagulant, alkalinity is a factor. Operators may need to raise out validity for coagulation to be effective when using iron or aluminum coagulants that can consume alkalinity and depress pH when they are added to low alkalinity waters. Turbidity is also important. The lower the turbidity, the more difficult it is to form proper flux. The most common coagulant chemical used is aluminum sulfate, commonly called alum. When added to water, alum forms jelly-like particles of aluminum hydroxide. The trivalent aluminum ions neutralize and attach to negatively charged particles in water, forming microflux. Alum works best in a pH range of 5.5 to 7.5. Polyaluminum chloride and iron salts such as ferric chloride and ferric sulfate are also used. They operate over a wider pH range. Coagulant and flocculate aids are added to improve binding, build stronger, more settlable flux, and effect flocculation by increasing flux strength and or flux density. In addition, they help overcome the effect of low temperatures, reduce the amount of coagulant needed, and reduce the amount of sludge produced. Commonly used coagulant aids include cationic polymers. Polymers are defined as a synthetic compound with high molecular weight and composed of repeating chemical units or monomers. Polymers may be polyelectrolytes such as the water-soluble flocculants, water-insoluble ion exchange, resins, or insoluble uncharged materials. Polymers are long chains of molecules that produce highly charged ions and help bind microflux together into larger flux particles. They are very popular with operators because they are very effective and can be positive, negative, or neutrally charged, providing a great deal of flexibility in different circumstances. Thank you.